Okay, here's the video for section 2 of chapter 6 called Buyer's Remorse. If you look at the stream, I did post there's only one page today that I'm going to go through. So you're going to watch the video if you're watching it now, you succeeded in that part. And then you're going to fill in the answers in classwork. So this is what I'm going to go through, is just to talk about this article. Let's see if I can bring it up. Okay, so we're going to talk about what it is to have buyer's remorse. So you probably know what that means already. But your body actually goes through actual psychological changes when you get excited to buy something. And the minute you buy it, all of those endorphins and all that stuff that you feel changes. So if you go make some splurge purchase that you cannot afford or that you might not use or whatever, all of that excitedness that you feel can turn into regret really quickly. So they have a fact up here that we can't quite see. It says the average U.S. household has 52 unused items around the house worth a total of $3,100. So the journal question for today is, can you think of something in your home that was bought but never or rarely used? So take a minute and think about, is there something in your house? I'm thinking, I actually just put it out to the curb to be thrown away. I bought a huge concrete Buddha that I thought I was going to do this artsy like mosaic on, that I never did. And that was about 10 years ago. And the thing probably cost $200. And now I have it on the curb for the bulk trash people to come and take. But there's my buyer's remorse that I can think of. But can you think of anything that might count for you as buyer's remorse? So you're going to go answer the questions in the doc, and we're going to be filling in these blanks. So a significant purchase is normally something over $300. For you, maybe that's something over $100 because you're not an adult yet with your own checking account, but that is what they would define significant purchase as. Buyer's remorse is when you wake up the next day and regret your purchase. So yeah, that's what they're talking about when they talk about buyer's remorse. We all have that spoiled grocery store kid living inside of us. Grocery store kid means, when you're in the grocery store and you're hungry, I want that, and I want that, and I want that, and I want that. And you end up with this cart full of cereal and Pop-Tarts that actually was not on your list and is not going to make you feel good. His name is immaturity. So when you're online and you're buying those Jordans, or you're getting that, ombre tint in your hair or whatever the heck they call it, or you're getting your nails done, it's going to feel good in that moment. And then that's that little kid inside of you, like, oh, I'm going to love this. I want this now. But how much, that is an immature response. And we want to help create like mature controllers of our money. When it comes to spending, adults, or at least responsible adults, devise a plan and they follow it. And when it comes to big purchases, the right way to do it is to save up and pay cash. So we talked yesterday about your house, you're not going to pay cash for. Your car, you might not pay cash for. But besides that, you should be paying cash. You should pay cash for your phone. Cash doesn't mean you have to have $300 of bills to give the person. Cash means when you buy it, you can pay for it automatically out of your checking. Write a check for it if you want. That's the same thing as cash. If you want to put it on your credit card because you want to develop good credit, great. But when that credit card bill comes, you need to know you have the money there to pay for it. All right, so today is short and easy. So go ahead and fill that out, and we will catch you again tomorrow.